The world is moving towards 5G, faster speeds, smoother streaming. It's the future of mobile. But what about cost? For many, 5G seemed like a luxury, out of reach. Until now. The arrival of budget-friendly 5G smartphones changes everything. No longer is cutting-edge technology reserved for the few. The market has shifted. Consumers demand affordability, and companies are listening. The result? A new wave of smartphones that are both powerful and budget-friendly. This is great news for consumers. Motorola, a trusted name in mobile, enters the arena. They're offering the Moto G Stylus, a smartphone that refuses to compromise. Premium features, all at an affordable price. It's a bold statement. Can Motorola deliver? Let's dive in and see what this phone is all about. The Moto G Stylus is designed for those who want it all. A large, vibrant display, a powerful camera, and of course the integrated stylus, all without breaking the bank. The display is the window to our smartphone souls. It's the first thing we see when we wake up and the last thing we look at before we sleep. It connects us to the world, to our friends, and to endless streams of information and entertainment. And the Moto G Stylus doesn't disappoint. With its expansive and vibrant display, it captures your attention immediately. The moment you turn it on, you're greeted with a visual feast that makes every interaction feel special. It boasts a generous screen size, making it perfect for those who love to consume media on the go. Whether you're watching your favorite shows or playing the latest games, the large display ensures you don't miss a single detail. Perfect for streaming movies and videos. The resolution is sharp, ensuring that every scene is crystal clear. Colors are vibrant, bringing every image to life with stunning accuracy. It's like having a mini cinema in your pocket. Whether you're scrolling through social media or browsing the web, the experience is immersive. The display's clarity and responsiveness make every swipe and tap feel intuitive and satisfying. But it's not just about looks. The Moto G Stylus is designed to be as functional as it is beautiful. The display is engineered to respond to your touch with precision, making it a joy to use for both work and play. The display is also responsive. Every swipe, tap, and gesture is registered instantly, providing a seamless user experience. This responsiveness is crucial, especially when you're multitasking or in the middle of an intense gaming session. Navigating through apps is smooth. Gaming is a joy. The display's high refresh rate ensures that animations are fluid and lag-free, making every interaction feel natural and effortless. And the integrated stylus? It takes the experience to a whole new level. More on that later. The stylus adds a layer of precision and creativity, allowing you to draw, take notes, and navigate with ease. For now, know this. The Moto G Stylus delivers where it matters. Its display is not just a feature, it's an experience. An experience that enhances every moment you spend with your device, making it more than just a smartphone, but a companion in your daily life. In today's world, the camera is king, and the Moto G Stylus understands this. It packs a powerful camera system, designed to capture life's precious moments in stunning detail. From epic landscapes to candid portraits, this phone rises to the occasion. Low light? No problem. The Moto G Stylus excels in challenging conditions. Details are preserved, colors stay true, and with advanced software features, you can unleash your creativity. Capture the perfect shot every time. Section 5. Power through your day, battery life that lasts. We've all been there, right? That dreaded low battery notification. It's a universal experience, whether you're in the middle of an important call, navigating through a new city, or simply trying to capture a perfect moment with your camera. The anxiety that comes with seeing that red battery icon can be overwhelming. But with the Moto G Stylus, those fears are a thing of the past. Imagine a world where you don't have to constantly check your battery percentage or carry around a bulky power bank. The Moto G Stylus is designed to keep up with your busy lifestyle, ensuring you stay connected when it matters most. This phone boasts a long-lasting battery. Whether you're a heavy user who spends hours on social media, a professional who relies on their phone for work, or someone who loves to binge-watch their favorite shows, the Moto G Stylus has got you covered. Power through your day without worry. From morning meetings to evening workouts, the Moto G Stylus is your reliable companion. No more midday charging sessions or frantic searches for an outlet. Stream videos, play games, stay connected, enjoy your favorite activities without interruptions. The Moto G Stylus ensures you have the power to do it all, from streaming high-definition videos to playing the latest mobile games. The Moto G Stylus keeps up with your every move. Whether you're commuting, traveling, or just going about your daily routine, this phone is designed to be as dynamic as you are. And when it's time to recharge, no need to wait hours. The Moto G Stylus comes equipped with fast charging technology, so you can get back to what you love doing in no time. The Moto G Stylus supports fast charging. Just a few minutes of charging can give you hours of use, making it perfect for those moments when you're in a rush. Get back to full power in minutes. No more waiting around for your phone to charge. With the Moto G Stylus, you're always ready to go. It's the convenience you need in today's fast-paced world. Stay ahead of the game with a phone that understands your needs and keeps you powered throughout the day. Section 6. Ample space for all your needs, storage and memory, apps, photos, videos. Our smartphones hold our digital lives. That's why storage is crucial. And the Moto G Stylus doesn't disappoint. With ample storage space, you can download and store to your heart's content. No more agonizing over what to delete. Keep all your favorite apps, games, and media within easy reach. Plus, with expandable storage options, you can add even more space as your needs grow. The Moto G Stylus adapts to your digital life. Section 7. Awaiting the arrival, launch date, and pricing. The anticipation is building. The tech world is buzzing with excitement as we inch closer to the launch of the highly anticipated Moto G Stylus. This isn't just another smartphone release. It's a significant event for tech enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Tech enthusiasts are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the Moto G Stylus. And for good reason. This device promises to bring a host of features that are typically reserved for high-end models, all at a budget-friendly price. Imagine having a powerful 5G smartphone with a stylus that doesn't break the bank. This phone promises to be a game-changer in the budget-friendly 5G market. With its sleek design, advanced camera capabilities, and the added functionality of a stylus, the Moto G Stylus is set to redefine what we expect from budget smartphones. It's not just about affordability, it's about delivering value and performance. But when can we get our hands on it? The question on everyone's mind is the launch date. While Motorola has been tight-lipped about the specifics, the anticipation continues to grow. Fans are scouring the internet for any hints or leaks that might give them a clue. Motorola has kept the official launch date under wraps. This secrecy has only fueled the excitement, with many speculating about the reasons behind the delay. Could it be that Motorola is perfecting the final touches to ensure a flawless release? But rumors suggest an early 2025 release. Industry insiders have hinted at a possible launch in the first quarter of the year, which means we might not have to wait much longer. This aligns with Motorola's history of early-year releases, adding credibility to the speculation. As for pricing, early indications point to a very competitive price point. Analysts predict that the Moto G Stylus will be priced to attract a wide range of consumers, from students to professionals. This strategy could make it one of the most sought-after devices in its category. This could be the most affordable 5G smartphone with a stylus yet. If the rumors hold true, Motorola is poised to disrupt the market with a device that offers exceptional value. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on the Moto G Stylus, a phone that promises to be worth the wait. Section 8. Unleashing the power of the pen, the integrated stylus. The Moto G Stylus isn't just about affordability and performance, it's also about pushing the boundaries of innovation. The integrated stylus sets it apart from the competition. This isn't just a gimmick, it's a powerful tool that enhances productivity and creativity. Take handwritten notes, sketch your ideas, navigate your phone with precision. The stylus opens up a world of possibilities. It's the perfect companion for students, professionals, and anyone who wants to do more with their smartphone. Section 9. The verdict, value and performance in perfect harmony. The Moto G Stylus is poised to shake things up. It offers an unbeatable combination of affordability, performance, and innovation. This is a phone that punches above its weight class. For budget-conscious consumers, the Moto G Stylus is a dream come true. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice quality for affordability. With its impressive features and competitive pricing, the Moto G Stylus is a clear winner. Get ready to experience the future of mobile without breaking the bank.